Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends and my noble teachers. I am here to deliver about my thoughts about HELIX. I would like to turn now the object which is the main point of this talk, the HELIX. This is a fascinating mathematical object which touches many parts of our lives: movement, the natural world, the manufactured world, and our genetic makeup are all connected to the shape of the helix. A helix is a type of three-dimensional curve that goes around a central cylindrical shape in the form of spiral, like a corkscrew or a spiral staircase. The helix is a very popular shape in nature because it is very compact. In fact, helices are sometimes referred as nature's space savers. In architecture too, the helix shape of a spiral staircase is an attractive opinion in buildings where space is very restricted. The most renowned type of helix is probably the double helix of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made of two helices that curve each other, a bit like a twist ladder. DNA contains genetic information or code that determine the development and functioning of all known living things. The helix shape is a very efficient way to store a long molecule like DNA in the liminal space or cell. There are different types of helices. Helices can twist clockwise, right-handed or anti-clockwise, left-handed. An interesting experiment is hold a clockwise helix, such as corkscrew, up to a mirror. The clockwise helix appears to become counterclockwise. We can preserve example of helix in many areas of our world. Spiral staircase, cables, screws, and rope can be right-handed or left-handed slice. A helix that goes around cone is called conical helix. Examples of conical helix are skewers or the famous spiral ram designed by the architect Frank Lloyd Wright in the Guggenheim Museum in New York. Helices are so prevalent in the natural world. The horns of certain animals, birds, seashells, and the structure of plant, flower, and leaf can all contain helices. The human umbilical cord is, in fact, a triple helix, with a discovery that the helix is the shape of the DNA molecule. It is not surprising that the helix is found in so many areas. It's one of the most natural shapes in the nature. Let's turn our attention now to the mathematical description of helix. You will need a pen and paper for the next part of the talk, as I'm going to give you some variables to write down. Take your time to notice the difference. So maybe that's all for today. Thank you for your attention here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.